Hi guys, I'm Panther, and welcome to Sharp Survivalist. Today we go over the survival backpack list and what you need to survive emergencies. So what is a survival backpack? A survival backpack is basically a backpack full of gear and equipment that's made for emergency situations. Your specific gear list might change depending on survival scenario, but today we'll go over a few key items that every survivalist should have in their pack at all times. Every survivalist should have a survival backpack. There are no exceptions to this rule. Your ability to survive an emergency is dependent on your skills and your gear. I'm sure you're wondering, what goes in a survival backpack? Well, the answer is, that depends. No survival backpack is the same. The gear that goes in your survival pack will vary based on your environment and emergency needs, but there are some universal items that every survivalist should have in their pack. Hey, don't just sit there. Try to beat me to the punch and guess what some of these items are. If your first guess was a first aid kit, then you're well on your way to becoming a sharp survivalist. A first aid kit should be the first thing on your survival backpack list. Even for minor injuries, not having one when needed can be fatal. Seriously, if you don't have one, get one. Maybe you've never gone days without water or weeks without food before. So let me be the first to tell you, it sucks. Be sure to have enough food and water packed away to last you a few days in extreme conditions. Aha, good old rope. Rope is an absolute must for your survival backpack list. Whether tying things down or tying things up, it will definitely come in handy. 550 paracord is a great option for this. And last, but certainly not least, a knife. You can't be a sharp survivalist without a good knife. Pocket knives will make the cut, but a quality survival knife should definitely be on your list. What? You thought it was that easy? Well, don't go full Rambo on me yet, because your pack list should have way more on it than what you just saw here today. Bare minimum is not the way to go in a real survival situation. To learn more about what you need in your bag, check out the Survival Backpack List article on the Sharp Survivalist website. I'll leave a link in the description. Hey guys, we're releasing lots of new content that you don't want to miss. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get first access to new releases. Thanks for watching.